to prevent someone from taking screenshots in Facebook. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we'll guide you through on how we can prevent someone from taking screenshots in Facebook. So let's go on with the process on how we can do so. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So if you don't want anyone to take screenshot from your profile, the people you don't want, you may just head over to your profile. After that, tap on your profile here. And if you have this professional dashboard on your screen, you may just turn it off. Tap on the three dot beside it and you can find this option called turn professional mode off. Just continue with the process, turn it off and wait for your account to get back normal. After that is done, just get back to your profile, refresh your profile and your account is back to normal. So in order to prevent screenshots from the people you don't want, these are the processes you may follow. Tap on the three dot beside your profile again, and this time you're going to lock your profile. After that is done, click on this lock your profile option, confirm it, and what that does is the people you don't want can't even enter your profile without your access there. So even if they click on your profile picture, if your profile is locked, they won't be able to see anything about your profile. Your profile picture will be blurred, so they won't be able to clearly see even your profile. So you may just remove those kind of friends or people that you don't want in your profile, whom you think may take screenshots of your profile. So just follow the steps and lock your profile, and that should probably fix your issue. So therefore, just follow the steps. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.